just tap like a dab couple. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layer, however you want. And also you can incorporate with other colors. So it doesn't have to be just the pink only. You can do pink with yellow. You can do pink with blue. It's gonna be, doesn't matter, whatever you do, it's gonna come out. It's really nice and it's perfect for beginner, perfect for DIY. And you can able to create so many cute different look. So all you need to do, you don't need any extra brush, no need to have any extra alcohol, acetone, or any solution. This is going to be your bestie. If you're getting one of the fusioning bottle, any color of your favorites, or the one that it could be obsidian, it could be is white, it doesn't matter, or it could be pink, I use a lot like in yours for you and in all your salon. You can make sure you get yourself, do yourself a favor, get this two bestie. This one will anchor down and observing the pigment of the fusioning, and then this crystal clear will blend in it for you. So then that way you're getting a perfect of the veinings look. So it makes sure like work in a job is so much easier and more enjoying. So let's take a look at this. It's getting set already. So I am go ahead and using a crystal clear. And I have a piece of paper right here. I don't know if the screen can see. You can see it, but then I will pick just a little bit. Just a little bit. Give it just, okay, a little bit of dam only. You don't want to be soaking, saturate with the crystal clear. Because you don't want it to blending and like have a like bleeding all over, because this might be like too saturated with the crystal clear, which is you don't need a lot of crystal clear. This in this beautiful techniques is less is more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. It's like wherever you want your veining is, your want the veining is right in the center. You are going to work is outside toward to the middle of the nails. And the same thing wherever you want the veins. And then keep in mind doing it's just really a little of the crystal clear. And every single time you do, you putting it back into your bottle, I would suggest to wipe it up on the piece of paper towels. So then that way it will clean off the excess pigment that you have on your bristle right here. You can see that it's have in make sure you wipe it off so then that way you don't carry and contaminate the color back into your bottle. So your crystal clears will stay remaining as clear as possible. So then when you're doing it, the purple colors, or if you're doing like Delight, which is yellow color, it will not have multi-colors in your crystal clear bottle. So it's my affecting the look of what is your. So you can design however veining you like and how you would like. You can stop right here or you can keep going. It's just really it's up to you that how you like your veinings look. So I'm keep wipe and then remove all the residues off to make sure that it's not going to carrying it back. You can do like angle like this. You can do just half of the nail. You can do whole nails like what I'm doing right now. Or you can just doing it, create it. So when you are going to just create the veinings from the French. I mean like, you know, like half of the nails. However you do, enjoying, have fun with this. So now I'm happy with this. We're going to wipe all the brush and close the crystal clear. And now, if you are happy with this, you can definitely top coat. Whether you are doing a matte top coat or you are doing a shiny top coat, is doesn't matter. But if I am going to add just a little bit. So now this is cool. You can add these. I'm going to add just a little bit of the illuminating gel. So make it a little bit of is veinings on it. However, you can't do pink veining or any veining colors that you want. The consistency for the light art is just cool. It's amazing. I love it. It's even you don't need any flashlights or reflected anything. It already looks so gorgeous. I want to just give it a little bit of veinings here. And then continue. You add it on. Can you see it on the camera? Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks so much, Facebook fam. For a lot of you tuning in. Thank you, thank you. Sometimes I just keep talking. I don't see any comment yet. It means that I'm focusing. But I appreciate every single of you. I hope this will bring you some inspiration. All right, I think it's good. You can add more or less. It just depends on how dramatic level that you want. I can add a lot more on it. So flash here for 30 seconds because we'll go back and do a couple crystals on it. Or kia full kia for 60 seconds if you decide like that's it. That's what I want. And go ahead and tap it with top coat. Then you do that. So I'm gonna add just a tiny little like crystal. You can do tiny. It's just I'm so in love with this because it has a perfect size. You see that I did the design before for you, like a huge crystal, the heart, like the huge heart. I don't know, I don't have it one here, but it's big. Like I love the big one too, but then also the little tiny cutie one is so adorable. You get to see in person for you to experience it because it's nothing like before. It's so adorable. You can do a whole set with this in a different color. It just bring a so entire cool vibes for the Valentine. Instead of it just staying the traditional is like hot pink and like a white, which is so happy that it happened on both sides as well. I don't know if you can see it from this one is hot here and hot here smaller, but the smaller is so freaking adorable. It's like you can do the heart right here and you'll be good to go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and using with condensed glue gel. Should we do this one maybe a matte finish? So I'm going to show you the matte finish. And then so a lot of questions asking, what if I doing a matte finish? I don't want a shiny. Then that's okay. From your Trifecta, you just need to get additional of your matte top coat. And all you need to do is condensed glue gel, matte top coat, and precision glue gels. So if you decide to do it in shiny, then you're doing it no white top coat shiny and then precision glue. It's just two different ones. If you want both matte and shiny, get the Trifecta and then extra matte top coat. It will be really, really awesome. Because then you can have a finish in either way. The clients like want a matte, and you do matte. And the clients want a shiny, then you can have a shiny. So I'm go ahead and pick up some of my condensed glue gel. This one is the thick condensed glue gel. However, Glitz fulfill your request. Glitz have and now offer is really extra thicks, like triple thicks of condensed glue gel, which is I did this 3D crystal. Also this 3D crystal too. It's just so freaking amazing. And if you haven't get chance to watch it how I'm doing it, it's like a piece of cake. I promise. If you're doing this, oh, that is so easy. Your crystal will not running and you don't have to do marathon and chasing your crystal at all. Your crystal will stay there until you are like, okay, I'm ready for that 3D to be clear. And then it's great to combine with both condensed and extra thick condensed glue gel. So you get the best result if you're doing a big crystal and then like a huge crystals cluster or 3D. So I'm go ahead and even though the shiny illuminating, I'm going to show you how you can shine it back up. But at right moments, we're going to go ahead and using a matte top coat. And we are going to floating it completely on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Just don't pull too hard and you don't want to pull off your condensed glue gel. However, you don't want to like loading it too thick of the top coat. So now we are going to add, oh my God, so many heart. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I like this one a lot too. Also, I like this one. Let's see what we can create this. And then they see the whole entire little like gloves. So freaking awesome. You can do it different. You don't have to do just the pink. You can do blue. You can do purple. You can do green. However you want. Do what is make you happy. I think I like it like that. But hey, you can do however you want. Ah, looks cute. I'm gonna add this one just here. And another right here. And then another right there. Okay. Oh my god, this is so adorable. So now, it's a great thing about this. You don't have to necessarily connecting your crystal together because the condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat is already do all the works for you. I see a little bit fur right here. I'm gonna using my just a little fur. I don't know where it's just jump in here and just start that off. I'm gonna go party over here. That's it. So now, happy with this? We are going to cure this for 60 seconds. All right. So I'll go ahead and cure this one. And you can add more on it. I love the look like this. And then, now, like cure first. Let's talk about that. If you change the different colors, like say if you're doing calming,